The biggest issue that we had with switching over to 1,000-pound bulk feed is we didn't really have a good place, a barn or any storage to keep it. And after talking to some local farms, they suggested using these 55-gallon drums, which have never been used with any petroleum product or anything like that, to store their feed in. So we got 4 new feed barrels to store our 1,000-pound bulk purchase of feed coming from our local small family-owned farm. And right now I'm just doing the honors of transferring out of this feed bag into the 55-gallon drums. Anyway, big day here on our North Central Idaho homestead, and big day for our animals. Everybody's going to be healthier and happier.